Hello everyone, I want to welcome y'all back to the channel. My name is Todd. So today we're making a marinara sauce. So let's get our ingredients together. For our marinara sauce, we are going to need some olive oil, white onion, garlic, crushed red pepper flakes, whole tomatoes, oregano, salt, pepper, and fresh basil. So we have our olive oil heated up over a medium-high heat. To this we are going to add our onions. And we are going to saute these for about 5 minutes. So our onions have been sauteing for about 5 minutes, and as you can see they're starting to get translucent. So to this we are going to add in our garlic, and we're going to let this go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once we get this all mixed in well, we're going to cook this for another couple of minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so this has been going about 2 minutes. So to this we want to add in our whole tomatoes, including the juice. And generally this is going to be where I would make a mess. And I'm trying my best not to. There we go. And we're going to add in our red pepper flakes, our black pepper, our oregano, and our salt. And we're going to give this a good stir to combine. And what we're going to do is we're going to start breaking up our tomatoes. Let me get a little masher, which will make it a little bit easier. And we're going to continue to cook this and mash till we get to the consistency we want. And we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. And then we're also going to need to add in our basil. I'm just breaking everything up here. And there we go. Like I said, we're going to let this cook for about 20 minutes. And we're going to continue to stir until we get the tomatoes all broken up. As you can see, we've mashed it up a pretty good bit. So we're going to get this up to a simmer. And then we are going to cover and cook for about 20 minutes. Alright, so this has been going for about 25 minutes. So let's give it a look. Alright, let's give it a taste and see if we need to add any more salt and pepper. Turn this down a little more. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to cut this off. And now we're going to just remove the basil that's in there. And we'll be back. Okay, so we've got our marinara sauce all plated up. So you can use this with fried cheese sticks. You can serve it over some pasta. You can use it for making meatball subs. Also, if you want a smoother marinara sauce, you can use an immersion blender and blend it to the consistency that you like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Till next time, enjoy.